Have you ever thought about investing in gemstones? Gemstones have been valued for centuries because of their beauty, rarity, and durability. While they can be an interesting investment, beginners should learn the basics before making a purchase. The first step is understanding which gemstones are most commonly sought after by investors. Traditionally, diamonds, rubies, sapphires, and emeralds are considered among the most valuable gemstones in the market. When buying a gemstone, quality is extremely important. Experts evaluate gemstones based on factors such as color, clarity, cut, and carat weight. In many cases, a smaller high-quality gemstone can be worth more than a larger stone of lower quality. Beginners should also look for certification from reputable gemological laboratories. A certificate helps verify the gemstone's identity and characteristics, reducing the risk of buying misidentified stones. Another important rule is to buy from trusted dealers. Research the seller, check reviews, and ask questions about the stone's origin and documentation. Reliable information is essential when investing. Investors should remember that gemstones are different from stocks or savings accounts. Prices can fluctuate based on rarity, market demand, and global economic conditions. Gemstones are often considered a long-term investment rather than a way to make quick profits. It is also wise to start small. Instead of spending a large amount of money immediately, beginners can learn about the market by purchasing modest, certified gemstones and gaining experience over time. Storage and insurance are also important considerations. Valuable gemstones should be kept in a secure location and properly documented. The key to successful gemstone investing is knowledge, patience, and careful research. By learning about quality, certification, and market trends, beginners can make more informed decisions and avoid common mistakes. Whether you're interested in diamonds, sapphires, rubies, or emeralds, investing in gemstones can be both educational and rewarding when approached responsibly.